Heavily armed police stormed an American Airlines flight in Buenos Aires after passengers reported hearing strange banging noises coming from the cargo hold shortly after takeoff. American Airlines Flight 954 was flying from Buenos Aires, Argentina, to New York City on Thursday night when it was forced to make an emergency landing after a banging noise was heard. The plane was abruptly rerouted back to its starting destination at Ezeiza International Airport, Buenos Aires. After a thorough search, authorities found no evidence of any threat, and the source of the noises remains unknown. Unfortunately, due to crew time limitations, the flight could not continue to New York that night.